wash the clothes. There are many bubbles. It's fun washing them. I rinse the clothes. The water turns soapy. They look cleaner now. I talk with Mommy. I carry the laundry basket. We work together. I hang the clothes outside. The sun is warm. The clothes will dry soon. I smooth the clothes. No more wrinkles. I stretch a little. I give the ladle to Mommy. We cook together. Lunch smells yummy. I make noodles. I roll the dough. It's fun to make. I leave the table. Lunch is ready. I'm full now. I finish my bowl. It was tasty. I like noodles. I take a nap. My teddy bear naps too. I use a blanket.